What have you found from your practice, from the work that you've done with clients in the world of manufacturing that you're seeing that is helpful for them in the manic, in the world of work, in from mindset to having strength and power and centeredness?
Mm, that's a big question.
It really is.
That's a big question. Um, well, I'll tell you where my mind went first when you asked that question. One of the things that I like to help is to put strategy and systems so people can make decisions within them. I find issues oftentimes between um, you have you have a person who's up here and they're like, let's do this and let's do that, and then they're gone. And then you have your person who's sitting in the desk trying to do the execution and they're like, well, I don't know if I should be doing that they said this week or that they said that week, and I'm not, and they hesitate and they're afraid to make decisions. So for me, a lot of freedom comes from structure, from setting in place, here's a
Mm.
lane. Once your lane is made for you, you can do anything within it. You can do anything you want as
Ooh.
long as you stay here. So a lot of it is putting some structure in place, putting a strategy there, building foundational, documents that they can live within those boundaries. And that frees this person to do their thing. And it frees the person in the desk doing the execution to make decisions and do their thing.
It sounds like creative constraints, which I like
Mm-hmm.
because I mean, think about it. When I'm struggling, I have to put on constraints to my creativity. If I just free-spiritedly go, wee, it's like, okay, I have a finite amount of time. I'm going to paint a little fun postcard for a family member and create a little haiku. I'm going to give myself 10 minutes. Now, all of a sudden, I've got music going. I'm like, okay, get into the flow and the free spirit. It kind of boosts the adrenaline a little bit to
Yeah.
get going. So I like that you say, give the structure. It's like giving a kiddo a coloring book, and it's okay. You see the blueprint, and then you can use that as an idea. And if you deviate just a little bit, you at least have that foundation to get the ideas going,
Yeah. Yeah. Because
you
if
know.
you give, and I tell my clients this all the time, if you give someone a blank page, they
Mm,
won't do anything. They
yeah.
won't do anything. You have to give them, most of us, you have to give them some direction. And I found that can really speed up the process if I'm struggling to get like content done for my clients. A lot of the communication and marketing work revolves around content of some sort, whether it's a blog or a video or something that I need in writing. They will not do it. They will not
Mm,
do it. But do you know what they love to do, Tina? They love to tell you that you're wrong. They love to correct you. So if I give someone a first draft and say, here's what I think, then I can get them to go right in and say, nope, that's wrong. Nope, that's wrong. That's all I need. I found that to be a really helpful process to move things along when I'm running into resistance. Give them something, give them a starting point. So, it's a different way to look at those creative constraints, but giving them a starting point.